and welcome back. Today I'm going to be filming a winter to spring transitional makeup look. It is March 12th today, so it's almost spring. It feels more like spring outside. It snowed yesterday, but it still kind of feels like spring is coming. So I wanted to do a transitional winter to spring makeup look for you guys. I did one of these last year. I am going to do spring makeup Sundays again. I just really love spring makeup looks. I'm going to try and do a couple videos, just spring makeup videos, like get ready with me. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is a makeup look that I have been wearing. Anytime I do wear makeup, this is what I tend to do. I switch out the base product sometimes, but this is kind of what I tend to do in terms of eyeshadow and the whole routine. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching, and let's just go ahead and get started. There's like an annoying little fruit fly in here. I feel like I'm gonna just have to kill it at some point in this video. Oh, I got a new phone. So I got the Pixel 6 finally, and I love it. It's a little dirty already. Let's start with some primer. I'm going to be using my NYX Away We Glow primer. This is like my winter primer of choice because it makes my makeup, or my skin I should say, look dewier, fresher, and I have been having super dry skin this winter, so I kind of like doused my whole face in this. I don't know what's been going on with the dryness, but my skin just not looking its best lately, so I like to really go in with a lot of this primer, and I don't know, I just feel like my skin looks nicer when it is glowy like this. Never had such dry skin before, like even just around like my whole nose area. This is all like actually super dry, and I don't know what's been going on. So I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal True Match Hyaluronic Tinted Serum. What is it called? I should just read it out. True Match Nude Hyaluronic Tinted Serum from L'Oreal. It is in the shade 2-3 Light. I really, really love this product. I don't like the packaging because it is really goopy and messy, but I love how this looks on the skin. I just like to dab it out on the side because it's so annoying having to use the stopper. I love this product. It makes my skin look super healthy. It feels nice on the skin. I mean, I have a whole review, wear test and review, first impressions on my channel that I filmed back in February, but since then, I have been reaching for this one, not as often as my Tinted Balm from L'Oreal, but pretty often. It just looks so nice on the skin, and I actually like to use my fingers with it. It gets a little bit messy, but I think that using the fingers actually gives it a really nice finish. I do sometimes use my brush as well, but I don't know, for some reason, I've been loving fingers. It just looks good when it's applied with the fingers. Like it just kind of melds into your skin nicer, I think. And yeah, it just like looks like my skin still, but it's covered up areas that I need to cover, evens out my skin tone. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of concealer. I'm still using the Makeup Revolution concealer, their XX Revolution concealer, I should say. And it's in the shade CX, I always forget. 5.7. I don't want to use too much of it though because it's pale. It's definitely on the lighter side for me, so I will have to switch away from it soon, but I just wanted to add a little bit to kind of highlight the center of my face more so than concealing. I love spring. Spring is for sure my favorite season. It's so nice when the weather turns sunny and warm, and I just feel so much more optimistic and positive about the future, and it's like you get out of those dreary winter long nights, dark days. Next I want to go in with my bronzer, which is the Rimmel Stick Bronzer. I'm just going to apply a little bit, like a line down the hollows of my cheeks and then along my forehead. I don't feel like I need to do the forehead so much. I don't feel like I need to contour it, but I am also at the same time trying to use this product up, so I probably don't need to do the forehead, but I do because I want to use up more of the product. And I'm just going to blend this in with a brush from Real Techniques. Oh my gosh, that fruit fly. I just need to get out of here. So I have been trying to figure out a plan for YouTube and what I want to post. I actually feel like I got a lot of new followers recently. I feel like a lot of you came from my crocheting videos. So I think I am going to do a video, like a crochet or a knitting video. I don't know, I kind of not stop doing makeup, but just maybe branch out a little bit and do more other types of videos. So I feel like for a while there I was doing pretty good. Like I had some fashion content up, I was doing vlogs for a bit, and then I kind of just went back into the habit of just like makeup videos. So I think I want to do more, you know, videos outside of makeup. But I know a lot of you are here for the beauty content, so I will continue, obviously, with my makeup videos. Just thinking out loud kind of, and I think I'm going to do a crochet video soon, so stay tuned for that. For blush, I'm using my Cheek Heat from Maybelline, and it is in the shade Nude Burn. I am excited for spring because I get to pull out all of like my spring makeup, my spring blushes. I love spring blush. I'm just gonna blend this in with my finger for now, and I might go in with the brush later to smooth it out. Sometimes I find that this product applies best with the fingers. It can look a little splotchy, but I don't actually mind it too much. So I know I have like a knitting crochet video that I'm going to be putting out soon or eventually, and I also wanted to do a spring lipstick video, so that is in the works. To set my face, I'm using my Wet n Wild powder. I'm trying to scrape out whatever's left in this one. I want to do the L'Oreal like foundation base product videos, not in March because we're already in mid-March, in April. And then what else did I have planned besides like the spring makeup videos? Oh, I have an empties video. I do like one empties video a year, so it's getting to that point again. But yeah, I'm just looking for new ideas. So if you guys have any suggestions for videos you'd want to see in the spring, let me know. I am trying to plan out my content a little bit better. I feel like I'm not super organized when it comes to content, so I want to get a better like schedule and system going. I don't always set my face, by the way. I just do it sometimes when I know I have a bit of a longer day, but sometimes when I'm just wearing foundation for like a couple hours, I will not set my makeup. I am going to just spritz my face with the NYX Bear With Me setting spray. Like I said, my skin is so dry that I pretty much drown myself in that spray. I'm just gonna let this dry down, and then while I'm off camera, I'm just gonna apply some of the Milani eyeshadow primer. Then we'll be back to do the eyes. Okay, so my palette of the month is the Milani Soft and Sultry palette. This I haven't really picked, I don't think, ever for a monthly palette, but I wanted to because I feel like I never use it on my channel, and it's just such a good palette. It's so good for those of you who like neutral, cool eyeshadows, which I actually prefer. I think I look better in neutrals or cool tone shades. The formula is so good. It's like one of the only Milani shadow formulas that I like. I'm gonna just start by kind of using this middle shade here to set my lids because I did apply that Milani primer, and I want to make sure that everything is, you know, set and not sticky. Also gonna take this same shade with the same brush underneath my eyes as well. Then what I have been loving to do is applying a winged liner but with shadow. So I'm going to take this small like not pencil, what is this called? Like a flat liner brush, and I'm going to take the black shade and I'm going to carefully do my winged liner with this. I am not the best at winged liner. I might cut this part out of the video, but basically all I do is kind of start from the outside and drag the brush inwards, and it's just easier to use shadow because it's more forgiving. Like if you mess up, you can kind of blend it away or wipe it away. And I do like winged liner with a liner, like an actual one. I do that sometimes too, but lately for some reason in March I've been liking doing my makeup this way. So that's basically all I do, and it's not like the cleanest wing, and it's also not the sharpest. I just like how it looks when it's like a soft wing. So I'm going to quickly do the other side. So then when that liner is done, they're not like exactly even. Sometimes I get them, sometimes I don't. It's just kind of tricky. But I'm just going to take my finger into this shade right here, which is a shimmery champagne shade. I'm just going to use it in the inner corners and then kind of drag it a little bit upwards towards my lid as well. Ooh, you know what this reminds me of? I need to pull out Ritz from Colourpop. They're super shock eyeshadow called Ritz. I forgot how much I love that shade, and I need to go find that and pull it back out. So yeah, that is how I do my eyeshadow these days. I'm gonna just apply some mascara, pop back on, do the lips, and we are done. Okay, I'm so torn with the lip color. I don't know what to use today, but I think I'm gonna go, oh, there's so many good choices, but I think I'm gonna go with the 21 Questions from Colourpop, which is one of their velvet blurs. It is kind of not as bright and like fun for spring, so it still feels more wintry, I guess. And that completes this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is just how I've been doing my makeup lately, and I feel like once we actually get into spring, it's gonna change again. But lately, this is how I've been wearing it, so I thought I would just film this video for you guys. I hope you liked the makeup look. Let me know what products you will be pulling out and using this spring. Thank you, as always, for watching. Don't forget to leave suggestions for any videos you would like to see in April, May, June, whatever, the whole spring. Let me know what you would like to see in the future on my channel. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more videos, and I'll see you in my next one.